Hello guys, hope you are well. In this video, I will show how to change your keyword mesh type by one click. Okay, I already opened my Google Ads account and I select my campaign. So I select the first campaign and then I will select an ad group. Okay, then I will select here keyword. So you see that we use all this keyword as a broad mesh. Okay, now we will change our keyword mesh type and I will change broad mesh to phrase mesh. Okay, first of all, I select all this keyword and then click edit, and here I select change mesh type and change all mesh types. Okay, then I will change my keyword broad mesh to phrase mesh. Okay, then I select phrase mesh and then apply. Now you can see here all this keyword is phrase mesh. So you can saw how easily I change keyword mesh type. You can change your keyword match type individually. So suppose I change only these two keywords match type. Okay, then I select this keyword and then click edit and change match types. Okay, change all, then exact mesh. Okay, then apply. Now you can see this two keyword mesh type is now broad mesh. So thank you guys watching this video. If you have any question or any problem, please message me or comment below. See you the next video.